Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines of the past week.
Vidya Bharati's goal is to connect girl students with its great culture and heritage. Sunita Pandey. Shri Durg Singh Ji stays in Punjab ends. Scout and Guide training camp concluded in Abohar while it started in Sangrur. Dr. Kalam Ji's birthday celebrated in 43B Chandigarh Vidya Mandir. Former students of Nabha, Bhikhi and Sunam selected in Punjab Public Service Commission Judicial. Students of Rampura Phul Vidya Mandir did Seema Darshan Yatra. Now the news in detail. 11th October Jalandhar. Along with formal education, girl students have to be connected to our great Indian culture and heritage. Daughters are the flag bearers of our culture and heritage. Sunita Pandey, All India co-head of Balika Shiksha of Vidya Bharati, said these words while guiding the acharyas during their stay at Prakashvati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. State Girls Education Head Gurpreet Kaur told that Sunita Pandey stayed in Talwada, Amritsar, Jalandhar and Khamana from 9 to 12 October. Punjab Vidya Bharati Sangathan Mantri Rajendra Kumar, General Secretary Dr. Navdeep Shekhar, Balika Shiksha Punjab Pramukh Gurpreet Kaur and Jalandhar's famous educationist Manju Arora ji were present in Jalandhar along with Sunita Pandey, Co-Chief of Girls Education. The stay of All India convener of Sanskriti Bodh project Shri Durg Singh Ji ended in Punjab on 11th October. During this time, he visited Derabasi, Shri Muksar Sahib, Fagwada, Maler Kotla and Haryal Vidya Mandir. While addressing the students in the Vandana Sabha of Vidya Mandirs at these places, he inspired them to get 100% marks in the cultural knowledge examination. After this, he took a meeting of the leading teachers of Sanskrit Bodh project. Shri Durg Singh gave information to the acharyas about the 9 points of the Sanskriti Bodh project and explained what the scheme is and how we all have to work on it. It is noteworthy that Acharya Didi, head of the Culture Awareness Project of all the Vidya Mandirs of Punjab, was present during the stay of Shri Durg Singh Ji. On 10th and 11th of October, a 2-day Scout and Guide training camp was organized at Shri Roshan Lal Jain Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Abohar, in which 20 students from class 3rd to 10th participated. Students participated in various activities in this training camp. On the other hand, the Bharat Scouts and Guides was launched at Sadhu Ashram Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sangrur. On this occasion, a lot of enthusiasm was seen among the students at both the places. Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir 43B Chandigarh, in memory of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. His birthday was celebrated as World Students' Day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam worked for the progress of students throughout his life, and because of his contribution and important work done in the scientific field, World Student Day is celebrated. Hardyanshu, an alumnus of Dyanand Public School, Pandusar Nabha, 2 former students of Shri Tara Chand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Bhikhi, Priyanka, son of Shri Tarsem Chand, and Gaurav Mittal, son of Shri Rajendra Mittal and Priyanka, an alumnus of Sunam Vidya Mandir, succeeded in Public Service Commission. These 3 students have been honest and dedicated towards their studies since childhood. Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti heartily congratulates them for the brilliant success and wishes them a bright future. The students of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Rampura Phul were taken to Husainwala National Martyr Memorial of Firozpur as part of Seema Darshan Yatra. 474 students, 80 teachers and 12 peons participated in this yatra. While talking, the principal said that the purpose of this huge trip is to awaken patriotism in the minds of the students and to make them aware of the borders of the country. The aim of this huge trip has been to inculcate patriotism and love for indigenous things among them. Now, one photo, one news. 40D Gangajali Gullaks distributed in Chandigarh and Haryal. 43B Mental Health Day celebrated in Chandigarh Vidya Mandir. Cleanliness campaign conducted in Fagwada Vidya Mandir. Patron of Bani Lodi Vidya Mandir, Shri Dilawar Ji, presented Rs 5,000. Didi Charanjit Kaur of Barnala Bal Sanskar Kendra was bid farewell by giving a cheque of 11,000. Formation of Alumni Council in Lala Om Prakash Verma Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sujanpur. Maharaja Agarsen Jayanti celebrated in Hajipur Vidya Mandir. World Animal Day celebrated in Haryal Vidya Mandir. Here is a video of the slogans raised in support of Swadeshi by the small kids of Hajipur Vidya Mandir.
एक दो तीन चार स्वदेशी से
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.